The Idemitsu Group has 4 refineries and 3 complexes in Japan and has established one of the most efficient product supply systems in the country. The Hokkaido refinery began operations in 1973 on a site covering 2.1 million square meters. As the only refinery in Hokkaido, it plays a crucial role in contributing to a stable supply of petroleum products in northern Japan. Crude oil is shipped in large tanker vessels from oil-producing countries in the Middle East and elsewhere, and takes over 20 days to reach a sea berth located 3 kilometers offshore. The oil is then transported via an offshore pipeline to the onshore refinery's storage tanks. Crude oil is heated to 360 degrees Celsius in the atmospheric distillation unit. The various compounds of the oil are separated into a variety of petroleum products using differences in their boiling points. These products include LP gas, gasoline, naphtha, jet fuel, kerosene, diesel oil, and heavy oil. Impurities are further removed using a variety of units to transform the distillates into high-quality products. The Resid Fluid Catalytic Cracking Unit and the Heavy Gas Oil Hydro Cracking Unit in our refinery efficiently produce kerosene and diesel oil, which are in high demand in northern Japan. Our production center is located in the center of the unit area, where all data concerned with petroleum production is collected. All staff members involved with unit operations also gather in this central location. In this way, all crude oil loading, refining, and shipping are efficiently managed from one central control room. The control of all operations data from one central location allows for prompt response to a variety of different changes. Our refinery was the first in Japan to employ this type of production system. We ship petroleum products throughout Hokkaido, as well as to the Tohoku and Hokuriku regions, in order to fulfill our aim of ensuring a stable supply of fuel for automobiles and heating. We also support industry and people's lives by providing fuel for aircraft and marine vessels, as well as for thermal power generation and the running of industrial plants. In consideration of the lessons learned from the Great East Japan earthquake, we have reinforced the capabilities of the energy receiving and shipping facilities in order to better respond to disaster events. We also strive to improve our facilities in order to prevent accidents, including those caused by natural disasters such as earthquakes. This includes, for example, reinforcement of tank covers and a reduction in the amount of oil stored in the tanks. Additionally, we have installed emergency shutoff valves to prevent oil leaking out from damaged pipes. Units are safely and automatically stopped in the event of a large earthquake with a seismic force exceeding 150 gals. We have installed protective oil embankments around the tanks to prevent oil from leaking out. Workers here conduct inspections, perform repairs, and make improvements to the facilities which operate 24 hours a day. To detect and avoid danger, all of us participate in activities to predict and identify hazards to ensure operational safety. We periodically conduct disaster drills to take appropriate action in an emergency. Hidemitsu was the first in Japan to install a unit for removing toxic benzene contained in gasoline. It also installed the VOC recovery unit, which recovers petroleum products that are turned into gas during the refining process and prevents their release into the atmosphere. The real-time operation management system constantly monitors toxic substances found in the atmosphere or the wastewater, as these may not exceed standard levels. Furthermore, to achieve super zero emissions, from 2015, we set our goal for the final waste disposal volume to be equal to or less than 0.1% of the initial volume of industrial waste generated. We have continued to achieve this goal. We have been involved in a greening project since our foundation in an effort to become a parkland factory of the northern region, in which plants and trees can grow, set within one of the harshest environments, with strong coastal winds and intense cold. We have taken a variety of steps to withstand these harsh conditions by creating artificial hills and installing windshield nets. Currently, about half of our premises is covered with greenery. These efforts were recognized in 2014 when we received the Economy, Trade and Industry Minister's Award for Excellent Green Factories. Our efforts to develop green space suitable for growing plants under harsh geographical conditions have been recognized. In 2019, we received the highest rank of superlative stage certification based on the Social and Environmental Green Evaluation System of the Organization for Landscape and Urban Green Infrastructure. Since our foundation, and following the spirit of our founder, to work hand in hand with the local community, we have stressed the importance of connecting with the community. To carry out this goal, we have been engaged in a variety of activities with the local residents, including cherry blossom viewings on the refinery, which are open to the public, on-site lessons at local elementary schools, and refinery tours. We also participate diligently in local events, such as the Tomakomai Harbor Festival and cleaning local commuter roads. Since 2006, local residents have been invited to concerts that we started in order to express our feelings of gratitude. We will continue to move forward hand in hand with the local community.